Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from the Netflix show Wednesday. I'm going to show you how to draw a Hyde Monster. So this guy is pretty spooky. So I'm going to start with an eye. So we're going to try to do a shape like that. It's going to be one eye. It's kind of on the side of the face. And for the inside of the eye, I'm just going to make a little circle. And then a smaller circle. And then one there in the middle. And the one in the middle is going to be colored in all dark. Now, I'm making this kind of sketchy looking. So now from this eye, we're going to come on down and work on a little nose here. And a little side of the nose. And we can do a nostril, so we're going to do a little circle and color that in all dark. And, well, it's more of an oval. And we can kind of see a bit of an oval on this side too, so we can color that in dark. Right here on the side by the eye, we're going to come on up and inward. And then come on up again. Now down here, we're going to come on a little bit down and then come inward. And I'm going to add some just sketchy shading marks here. Now, let's see, let's do the other eye. So we'll give it a little bit of space and we can do a great big circle. And a little circle inside. And a little one and another one, and this one's going to be colored in dark. And I'm going to kind of do a little circle around this big eyeball. Now from here, I'm going to do kind of like an eyebrow. So it's almost like a check mark, but then it really curves here at the end. Now I'm going to do some lines underneath this eye. And I'm going to kind of shade them in a bit. And over here on the side, I'm going to do some more. All right, so up here, let's do a few more lines. And over here, and do another one. And see, I'm kind of coming up with another little check mark. So it's another eyebrow. All right, so let's work on the mouth. So it's going to be spooky mouth. So we're going to do almost like a little V shape here. And then it's going to be really open. And right here, we'll have like a little bit of mouth, skin, I guess. And here, this is going to be some gums. You can see I'm kind of going like up and down, because we're going to have teeth attached to these gums. So we can do some great big, scary, pointy teeth. Some are smaller, some are bigger. But they're all spooky looking. And I'm going to do a line above the mouth right here. All right, so next we're going to continue on with this line, the bottom of the mouth. bringing it over, kind of curving it this way. And now we can kind of do a little bottom of the gums here and do some more big, sharp, spooky teeth. Some are bigger, some are smaller. Okay, so we're going to do a line like this. This is the other side of the mouth. And we can even do a few like gross lines of drool, like from one tooth to the other, like that. And maybe there's some other bits, like just gross, spitty monster drool. Just makes them extra spooky, I think. Maybe a few little bits being gross right here, kind of dripping. So maybe the inside of the mouth, we can color that in dark. But then leave our spitty drool bits, we can leave that not colored in. So I think already he's looking pretty spooky. And we can kind of color in the bottoms right here, like where the teeth kind of meet with the gums. We can kind of shade that in a little bit, make it a bit darker. And the top as well. Okay. And feel free to add more spitty drool if you want. It's up to you. All right, so now let's do a little bit of a line right here, kind of following along the gums, and then we've got the bottom of the mouth. So we're bringing that up and do a little line right here. Okay, and we'll do a line right here for the side of the face. And let's see, well, he's got an ear, so we'll start with an ear right here. So just regular kind of ear shape. And we'll do the inside, curve like this, and then we'll do another little curve. And shade in a bit. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. You can go back a little bit. I might be going too fast, so if I am, sorry. Feel free to pause and catch up. Okay, so now we got an ear, and do a little line here, and another one here. Have his eyes kind of sunken in a little bit more, some more dark around the eyes. Like that. And let's see, let's work on the forehead a little bit. So we can do some more kind of spooky, angry forehead lines. He's really not a happy dude. And we can kind of go downward with the hairline a bit and come on up. And we can do some kind of like, all kinds of like funky strokes for the hair. I don't think this guy has a good hair day very often, so don't worry about making the hair look awesome. You can see I'm just doing all kinds of like scribbles, really, just scribbly strokes for the hair. I'm having some come downward. really just kind of filling up this space with scribbly strokes. Some parts are thicker. Like that. All right, so now let's work on a bit of a neck. So we can do a few lines coming downward. And I'm gonna darken right here. Make this part real sketchy and dark. A few lines here. And we'll do a line here, working on part of the chest. And we can start with a big arm here. And then another line for the arm. And I'm gonna make right here pretty dark. Gonna be real like shaded in with the scratchy dark scribbles. And here under the face. And here under the ear. Right here. All right, so that's it for the sketchiness. I think I'm gonna add in some dark black, heavy black strokes here now for the background. I think that will kind of help give it some more spooky vibes. Just big black chunks of color. And then that's pretty much it. All right, so let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw in the future. And thanks so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you for our next Daily Doodle. Okay, everyone, goodbye.